Wash the lemon properly with warm water and salt because we'll be using the back and it has to be very clean. So here is me grating the back of the lemon. Guys, you have to be very careful. At this junction I cut my hand and I had to make do with a makeshift plaster, and I continued grating. I discovered that grating in a circular motion did justice to the lemon more than just grating vertically.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine.
So this is what I could get from the grated back of 7 good lemons. So this is almond oil. I'll be using it as my carrier oil. Almond oil has good emollient properties and can improve complexion and skin tone. So I'm transferring the almond oil into a stainless bowl to use in my double boiler system. You could use a thick ceramic plate too.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead.
So here I'm transferring the grated lemon back into the almond oil as the secondary container, and this is a double boiler system. You don't have to use a direct heating method because it's going to tarnish the lemonine in the lemon. So I'm giving it a good stir and leaving it on fire for about 15 minutes. So let's leave the lemon oil on fire while I go to show you one use of lemon. So I'm extracting the juice from the lemon after removing the bark partially, and I'm extracting so much juice that I can store it in my jar and use it for nausea and vomiting by just drinking. Maybe I could just take a spoon of it and drink, and I feel a little relief.
Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
So I'm transferring the lemon juice into some jars, and I'll be keeping them in my fridge, and it can last for as long as you want it to. Number 2 use of lemon is you can use the back to clean your sink and kitchen tiles area. So it has antiseptic properties and it's a good cleansing agent, and it leaves a very fine fragrance. Let's get back to our oil we kept on fire. So I left it to boil for simmer for about 15 minutes, and I brought it down. I was already perceiving the aroma. After bringing it down, I allowed it to rest and cool for 24 hours. So I sieved the oil from the chaff. The sieve I used was not so fine. You could use the ultra fine sieve that is used in making pap, local akamu, if you're familiar with it. So this is what we have, and I had to press down the chaff to gain more oil. After that, I transferred the lemon oil into a white transparent bottle, and I kept it where I keep my cosmetics. Fun fact, I applied this on my face alone because the oil I produced was just too small. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates like this in future. Bye for now. Kisses and hugs.